Okay, let's look one by one. So we don't want the square root on the bottom, so they multiply both top and bottom to square root of 11. And then these two same number are going to go out. Oh, you don't need to write one. You don't need to write one. It kind of we look one, but it's correct. Okay, this is correct. You all need to write down your notebook. Okay. Number two. This is correct. This is correct. But the way you write it is, yeah, you don't write it. All you can write, all you can write divided by both. Okay. So all 52 divided by 15 is 4. I hope you don't multiply by square root of 13. I hope you don't do that. Okay. Simplify. Always look at if you can simplify it. 52 divided by 13 is 4, square root of 42. That's the fastest way. Okay? And then these two same numbers are going to go out. Right? Very good. Very good. Number 4. This one kind of tricky. Look at this. There's a lot of things that you should be aware of. First, negative. Yeah, they all need to have negative. Sometimes you forget the negative along the way. So this yeah. 54, you break it down, you have 18 and 3, 2 and 9, 3 and 3. So 2 number 3 number go out, right? So this is from here. And then the next, okay, the next 2 is from here, okay? And look at this. The 2 come from the 8. You can also combine with the 2 come from the 54. Because they're both inside square root. Inside square root, you can both them together. Outside square root, multiply them together, okay? So these 2 and these 2, they can combine. Did you see how they both them together? So yeah, that's this one. And this 3 come from here. So a lot of things can make a mistake right here. Okay, this group they did very good job. So again, they come from here. These 3 come from here. These 2 come from this here. And these 2 come from this and this together. And then these 3 come from the original problem. Very good. Okay. Then that's it. Now, but you cannot stop right here. You cannot give me at this. Okay. Now you just give me, oh, the answer is 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? 8, for example. You cannot give me like, a lot of number like this. So when you go eventually, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 24 times 8, 45 times 3, yes. Yeah, right. So this have left. 3 have left inside. That's the last common mistake. You forgot this number. So that's why this thing has to be 3. Okay. Correct answer is going to be negative 144 square root of 3. Who got this one right? Good. See, not a lot of people already got it right. This is very tricky. No, 5. So when you multiply, do it like this. Don't write like this. I mean, because you write it, it should look like square root of 2 times this, not 2. So when you multiply something like big like this, you need to have parentheses. That's mean this whole thing multiply this whole thing. Otherwise, see, it doesn't look like, oh, only square root of 3 times this 3 just by itself. So always have 2 parentheses to make it make more sense. Okay, always. Otherwise, mathematically, it's not correct. And this is matter. Okay. Good. Remember the trick to do this? You don't need to follow. What do you want to do? Does you want to remind me? Square root. Owen? No, I mean, when I multiply this, what is shortcut way to do this? Square both number and then what do I do with them? Add them, multiply them, subtract them. So I square both of them. So 2 square is 4. Square root of 2 square is 2, right? So square root of 2 square is 2. Square really cancel out. And then I have always minus. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Don't do 4. Okay? Yeah, 1 point for on Carlos. And then on the top, now you distribute 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times negative. Yeah. Good. 2. Look at this. A lot of you are going to stop right here. Can we stop right here? No. Look all the number. You have 4, you have 2, you have 2. You all can divide by 2. Simplify, simplify. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 2, square root of 2 divided by 2 to cancel this 2. You get negative square root of 2. Who got this one correct? Oh, not all of you. Question for you, extra. Can I simplify this? Yes. Who say yes? Can I simplify the two in here? Who say yes? All right. Who say no? So why no? Why no? Yeah, another thing. Yeah. If you want to divide by two, all of them need to divide by two. Can 5 divide by two? No. So if you want to cancel only this first term, you need to write like this. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? And then the 5, you still need to have the 2 in here, like this. Okay, if you want to just cancel the first two terms, this one cannot divide it, you need to keep it the same. Okay? Yeah. Another question. Another question. Uh, yeah, I don't know if we're gonna talk about this before. I think I do. Okay, are they all the same? Negative 7 over 2, 7 over negative 2, and negative on the front. Yeah, okay, good. Now you got this. How about this? Are they the same? This one and this one. Who say yes? Good. This is not the close, so close. This is not the same. This is not the same. Why is not the same? Melanie. Right. If you want to move this negative to the top, you need to have all of them negative. Okay, or you can just put a negative on the front, like this. Not just like negative 7. Okay. So negative, if you want to be sure, just put a negative on the front, like this. Then maybe it's not be correct. Because this negative can either go to negative 2 or either go to the top, but the whole thing, not just 1 7. Okay. So 1 melody, 1 for Natalie, 1 for yes. Already comes. Like give me 1 for watching. Okay. Anyway, where were we? Okay, we're on number 6. Right. Yeah. So how did they get the 6? Actually, they square the 3, right? Square the 3. Minus square root of 3 squared, not the 3. So 9 minus 3. That's how they got 6. Okay. And multiply it together. 3 times 3 square root of 5 times 3 is. Oh. That's not correct. Has someone fix this? Oh, yeah, Louis. Did you do this? Oh, okay. You fixed this up. Good. Okay, so tell me again, what do you have on the top? Should I do 1 by 1? 1 by 1. 9, 5, plus 3 square root of 15. Yeah? Only this, only 2 terms. It's not this, it's not this. Okay? Who got this one right? 6. It's not right. 7. Again, you need to have emphasis, otherwise it doesn't make sense. And then this one is 1 square. So 1 square is 1. Square root 3 square is 3. 1 minus 3 is 2. Very good. Then they distribute this. Square root 7 times 1. Yeah, you need to write 1. Then square root 7 times square root 3. Number inside square root, multiply together. So 7 times 3 is 21. That's correct. Okay. Who got this one right? Okay, number 8. Yeah. Oh, what's the name again? What's the name when you multiply this? What's the name? Conjugate, right? Conjugate. Then okay, 2 squares 4. square root of 10 squared 10. Formula 10 and negative 6. Good. And then follow this. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. Then 3 times square root of 10. 3 times square root of 10. Square root of 7 times 2 is 2 square root of 7. This square root of 7 is 7. Good. Very good. Who got this one right? Okay. Who got all 8 problems correct? Oh, come on. Okay. How about 7? How about 6? Okay, how about 5? Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Okay. I hope you copy down everything. If you didn't, you take a picture or something. Okay. You need to copy all of them down to your notebook. That's a good review. Big one. You don't want to do homework in class. You don't need to get one point. Considering another points. That's it. What's that?
Point homework or the homework point?
The homework today. No homework. If you done homework in class, you have 6 days and 1 month. Oh, homework for the lesson, yeah, but not the homework for the grade. But you don't need to. Okay, don't let that stress you out. Don't let that just try your best. Don't let that stress you out.
90% my grade.
I think it's already 8. What is my rating system? How about send you get 8? Oh my God. You in my class for like 3 months. You didn't know? In my class, 85% is 8. Okay. Okay. Let's focus on lesson. I don't want you straight now. I'm talking about it. Okay. Today we're gonna do some solving equation. How did we handle it last time? Yeah.
Square root. Well, square root x.
No, last time how did we learn how to do this?
What do you mean? Square root x.
The factoring. How do we learn factoring? That's last time. All right, Kayla. How did we do it last time? This word on the test, on the quiz, right? How did we do it? All right, Barry. 1 times 4. 80. Oh, okay. So this, right? And then you factor this all 4, right? That's what we learned last time. What do we write here? X. What number square becomes 16? Actually, you don't need to write this. What number square becomes 16? 4 and 4. Right? What is the sign?
Negative.
Then x equal to 4. X equal to
Negative 4.
That's what we learned last time. That's a long way. So today we're gonna do some square root faster way. I think last time.
Didn't you tell us?
Yeah, 1 point for Barry. Okay. I think you're not from technical square.
Square root x.
Okay, who next? You need to do something first before you get the square root. Yeah, so add 16 first. Take 16 first. Okay. So write a note like this. Isolate isolate square term on one side. Need to do this first. Yeah, 1.4. So at 16 here, we got gone. X squared equals to 16. Now what we're going to do? We're going to square both sides. Remember, square root and square they cancel out. Okay. Maybe just remind square root. Square root, square, cancel each other. This is so fast. So that's why from here, I already have square terms isolated. I can take it square. Cancel out. I have x. Equal to fraction part. Oh yeah, good. Plus minus. But why do we have plus minus?
Answers.
I'm waiting for one phrase, one term. Absolute value. Very good. One more minute. Here. What is square root of square? You should have absolute value. And that's why you have x equal to plus minus. Okay. Okay, yeah, one more for Abraham. Okay. So you can write it this, and they say plus minus, okay? Not positive negative. Say plus minus. That's how we say it. That's how mathematicians say it. Okay, number 10. Right, Fernando. X64, very good. Both sides 64. So what will be the whole thing? What would be the whole thing? X squared equals 4. What else? You take in the square root, so you cancel the square. So you're gonna have x. You can if you do this, maybe you can skip this step. Yeah, like you don't need to write absolute value. You can just write x equal to plus minus 8. Yeah. But if you want, you can write absolute value, but you don't need to. Okay. I think you know because if you checking out, maybe just write it out again. Just make sure you already got this. So there is plus minus after checking out absolute value. Okay, after checking out absolute value. So A is plus minus always. The whole square less minus after checking out absolute value. Good, one more with Fernando. Okay, Yonga, go. Yeah, so right. You can think about it this. You can swap them. So change all the side. Or you can think about like multiply everything by -1, or like Yonga said, you can divide everything by -1. But we want the negative to go on. Remember, we don't want the negative on the x squared. So it's going to be x squared equal to 50. Okay, now what next? Square root is gone. So you have x equal to square root of 50. Is this correct so far? Is that correct so far? Yeah, 1 point for that. Younger first. Okay, tell us. Where are we correct so far? Chris? Yeah, absolute value. And what is the absolute value?
Plus or minus.
Plus and minus. You always need to have plus and minus. Okay? Or okay. If you write like this, you can write like this first to remind you there's absolute value. Then you write x equal to plus minus. Yeah? Absolute value plus minus. Yeah, one more Chris. And then can I stop right here? No, you can break it down, right? Why don't you break it down? Right, 5 times 10. 5 square root. Yeah. Always box the answer. Okay, always box the answer. So again, when I can follow your work, then I can keep positive. Erase this. Okay, who wants to do this number 12? Andrea, you want to try this? Simple. No, you know how to do this. David, okay, David.
First, you have to get rid of 3. So
Okay.
you divide both by 3.
Yeah, we want the square term to be on one side. Remember the notes? Okay, so you want, how do you get rid of 3? Divide by 3. Very good. So you're going to have x squared equal, what is square divided by 3? 4. What next? How do you get rid of the square?
You
You?
square.
You square root it. Yeah, square root it. Cancel down. So what is the answer? X equals to? Huh?
Plus minus or minus.
Plus minus 2.
Yes.
Always plus. Always plus. Very good. One more for that. Do this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We want square term to be on one side. So we get rid of the 8 by minus 8 on both sides. 8 gone. So I have x squared equal to, what is 24 minus 8? 16. What else? Square root it. Cancel out. You have x equal to, what is square root of 16? Plus minus 4. Yeah? Okay, one more for you see, only 2 lines. Only 2 lines. You don't need to write absolute value. It's just for you to know the reason we have plus and minus because we have absolute value. But if you get used to it, you know the reason. That's part of the answer. Okay? Just save your time to do a test. Any question? Yeah. Right. Absolute value always comes from square root x squared. What if they already start with absolute value? Like this. Give you some units. Yeah, then you want to give it. Always. Always, always, there's always plus minus one. Again, take it out. Very good question. Huh? Wrong? If you count, then it's just if you don't count. Just keep going. Don't count. If you count, it's just keep longer. 010 number 14.
It's not easy that.
Direction. Carlos. Huh? Square both sides. Do you agree? Should I minus 8 or should I take it as square root right now? Who say I should minus 8? Who say I take it as square root right now? Good. Remember, square term needs to be on one side. Is it already on one side? Is it square term? No, this is the square term. Everything is square, right? The square inside parenthesis is here. You have square. So this is the square term, right? X plus 8 is the square. So you can take it the square root right now. Very good. So cancel the square. You have x plus 8 equal to, what is square root of 16? 4. Good so far?
Yes.
Huh? Is it good so far? Negative 4 or negative 4? To me, plus minus 4. Okay? Plus minus 4 right here. If, okay, because after you take in the square again, after you take in the square root of the square, they always have absolute value. So this is must be plus minus 4. Okay, let's one more Carlos and one more Ruby first. Now here you have two solutions. What you need to write is write like this. Okay, x plus 8 equal to 4 and x plus 8 equal to negative 4. All right, let's work on this. How can you solve for this one? You have two questions. Minus 8, right? 4 minus 8 is okay. Minus 8 is 8. Negative 4 minus 8 is negative 12. Negative 4 minus 8. Negative 4 minus 8. Yeah. Then you're going to ask, oh, why we have two solutions? Okay, let's check. Let's check. Maybe I'm down on this too. Why we have two solutions? How can you check if a number is a solution? What do you want to do? You plug it in back, right? You plug it in back. Okay, let's see another 1 point. So I have negative 4. So I'm looking negative 4 plus 8 square equal to 16. I'm going to check if it's correct. Okay. What is negative 4 plus 8? 4. 4 square equals to 16. Is it true statement or false statement? True. Okay, so this is good. This is good. Now I'm going to check negative 12. Negative 12 plus 8 equals 16. What is negative 12 plus 8? Huh? Negative 4. Negative 4. Is negative 4 square equal to 16? Yes, so that's why you have two solutions. The reason is because 4 square is also 16. Negative 4 square also 16. That's why you have two solutions. If you understand why, you can memorize this. Okay? That's the reason why. But later on, maybe next semester, you're going to learn there are some cross solution. What do we call? I don't remember. Do you remember? But we have some solution, but it's not solution. What's it name? Huh? No, we found two solutions like this. But one of them is not solution. What are we gonna learn next semester?
I remember I have one.
What is that?
I know, but I don't know. No, I swear. You know how like check the answer?
Right. 15, right? Okay, who wants to learn about 15? Who doesn't get point too late? Okay, Jacob. Right, the order square. So what are you gonna do? Take in the square root. Very good. So this one is gonna be x minus 4. What do I write? What is square root of 64? 8.
5.
5? Is that correct? What do I missing? Plus minus first minus 4. 8. Don't change anything here, okay? Don't change anything. Change the number when you take it on the right side. Okay? And then so there's two solutions. So x minus 4 is 8, and then x minus 4 is negative 8. Okay. X minus 4 equal to 8. How do you solve this? Jacob. How do you solve this one? What are you gonna do? You add 4. Very good. Add 4. Add 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Add 4 over here too, right? Negative, excuse me, negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. Good job. 1 point for Jacob. Easy, right? All right. Who wants to try 16? xem phải thua Gary. I know you did impression. Hello, Sabrina. Yeah, you still get fun. Very fun. Leilani, Joshua, Johanna. It's a boy. It's a boy. Donovan. I want to add this. Let's on this. Okay, Donovan, go. What do you wanna do first? Huh? You taking a square root? Go next.
Oh my God.
Sabrina? 2 divided by 2. Yeah, it's 3 divided by 2. So yes, you need to get rid of a 2. The 2 doesn't have the square. So that's not the square term. So you're going to get rid of that first. So you get x minus 1 squared equal to 1 minus 2 divided by 2. 16. What next? Second square root. Now all of them is square term. Okay? Second the square root. Cancel the square. You're going to have x minus 1 equal to huh? What's this? What is this? Huh? Oh, okay, I'll see about it. Okay. Then what is this? Plus minus. Plus minus. Right. Now how can you solve this? Add 1. Add 1 to both side, add 1 to both side, add 1 for both side, 1 for both side. Okay, so x equal to what is 4 plus 1? 5, and then the other one x equal to negative 3. Very good. 1 for Sabrina. All right, Gary, you want to do next?
What?
Want to get going here? All right, this one is ultimate. This combine everything. So ultimate. The randomization vary. And then like, I didn't sign up for this.
I really did it.
I
think I know. I think I know.
It is easy. It's a combine of those we just did. Okay. Okay. What do you want to do first? Just say it. F5. Just get rid of everything. Only squares on one side. So I'm gonna get rid of a negative 5 first. Add 5. Add 5. Good. Gone. I have 2 x minus 1 squared equal to 45 plus 5 is 50. Okay. What next, Brandon? 5 by 3. I mean 2.
Oh, sir.
I don't know why I said 3.
1 point off.
Okay. All right. 50 divided by 2 is 25. What next? Square root it. Yeah. Not that hard. So square is gone. So you have x minus 1 equal to?
Plus and minus.
Huh?
Plus and minus.
Plus minus 5. Good. So 1 is 5. 1 is negative 5. Right? What are you going to do next? 6. 6. Good. That means you add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And then negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. I know, right? Okay, so see if you 1 point. Okay, young now. Oh, I'm just stealing. All right, any questions so far? Again, you have it, right? Just stop me anytime. Obviously, can you repeat this or can you slow down? Yeah. Don't worry about it. You don't want to get that. This yes. Asking random question. Yes, 1 point for round.